Hey guys, welcome. Today we're diving into the Hisense A7 Series 43-inch class 4K UHD Smart Google TV. Before we get started, if you're considering buying this TV, check the link below for the best price available today. Design and build quality. The Hisense A7 Series 43-inch class 4K UHD Smart Google TV offers a sleek and modern design that fits seamlessly into any room. The slim bezels create an immersive viewing experience, making the screen the main focus. The sturdy build quality ensures that the TV is both durable and stylish, with a stand that provides stable support and easy integration into various home setups. Display performance. The 43-inch 4K UHD display is where the Hisense A7 Series truly shines. The resolution, 3840 x 2160, provides sharp and detailed images, allowing you to see every nuance in your favorite shows and movies. The TV supports HDR10 and HLG, enhancing the color range and contrast to produce vibrant and lifelike visuals. Whether you're watching a high-octane action movie or a serene nature documentary, the A7 series delivers an outstanding picture quality that makes every scene come to life. Smart features and interface. Powered by Google TV, the Hisense A7 series offers a smooth and intuitive smart TV experience. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through apps, search for content, and customize your home screen. With access to a vast library of streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more, you'll never run out of entertainment options. The built-in Google Assistant allows for voice control, making it easy to find your favorite shows, control smart home devices, and get answers to your questions without lifting a finger. Audio quality. The audio performance of the Hisense A7 series is impressive for its class. The TV features DTS Virtual technology, which creates a more immersive sound experience. The built-in speakers deliver clear and balanced audio, making dialogue easy to hear and enhancing the overall viewing experience. For those seeking a more cinematic audio experience, pairing the TV with an external sound system or soundbar is recommended. Connectivity. The Hisense A7 series comes equipped with multiple connectivity options, including HDMI, USB, Ethernet, and Bluetooth. These options ensure that you can easily connect all your devices, from gaming consoles to external storage drives. The HDMI ARC support allows for a seamless connection with compatible audio systems, reducing cable clutter and simplifying your setup. Gaming features. Gamers will appreciate the game mode, which optimizes settings to reduce input lag and enhance performance. The 4K resolution and HDR support provide a visually stunning gaming experience, allowing you to enjoy your favorite games in all their glory. Final thoughts. The Hisense A7 Series 43-inch class 4K UHD Smart Google TV is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup. With its sharp 4K display, intuitive Google TV interface, and robust feature set, this TV offers exceptional value for its price. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or watching live TV, the A7 series delivers a versatile and high-quality viewing experience that is sure to impress. Before you go, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today. Thanks for watching, and happy viewing.